Here's Missy with her own version of a Chinese takeout classic.
50% of the world eats rice every single day. Classic Asian dish, fried rice with bacon, scallion, and onion. I've eaten a lot of fried rice. I mean, a lot. It started with after-school snacks at Grandma's house and followed me to my very first job at a Chinese restaurant, where I got paid minimum wage, and you guessed it, fried rice. For a quick and satisfying meal, this is my go-to for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Maybe not all in the same day. Here's the secret to the best fried rice. Don't just throw everything in all together. Take the time to build those textures and flavors.
Woks rock. They're versatile, inexpensive, and easy to clean. Once you've woked, skillet no more.
Having a good time painting a town with the windows up.
Using your leftover bacon fat to fry up other ingredients will really up the dish.
I can't even tell you how good this smells. Liquid gold. Shaoxing wine. Light and dark soy, definitely worth tracking down if you do a lot of stir frying.
Shaoxing wine is made from fermented rice and has been around for 2,000 years.
See how I add them along the edge of the wok? Instant steam, no burning.
Want to walk like a pro? Practice with a beanbag.
See? Everything cooked just right. You can do this. I never get tired of fried rice.